Hey guys, so one of the things I wanted to mention was if you had any grub issues or damage to your lawn this summer, a lot of times you'll see it, June, July, August, even into September, you'll see them causing damage. Normally the first sign is that animals are digging, and that'll let you know that they're digging up something that they like. And most of the time around here, it is because they're looking for grubs. Grubs are easy for them to sniff out and find. And the best thing to do if you had this problem is to control them in the spring. So the product we use is we actually put it down late spring, and it'll help control them throughout the summer because we're getting to them early before they get big and really start feeding on your roots. That's what they like to do. They eat your roots. They'll eat roots of almost any plant, but the grass is smaller and easier for them to eat, and there's plenty of it for them to eat right there. So that's where you typically see the majority of the damage. But we'll put this product down, it'll help control them. If you had a large infestation, it can take a couple of seasons to get them under control, and you don't want to stop it. It's just one application a year. You want to stay on that, because just because you don't have them doesn't mean your neighbors don't either. If they've got them, they can easily just migrate over to your yard or from down the street, or it just depends on how many there are, how many how bad the infestation is around your area. If y'all have any questions, just let us know and we'll get you taken care of. Thanks a lot.